On August 21st, 1986, over 1,700 people who lived near this lake went to sleep for the night and never woke up. Why? Because the lake burped. This is Lake Nyos in northwestern Cameroon. It's nestled in the crater of a dormant volcano that formed over 400 years ago. Over time though, a pocket of magma 50 miles deep beneath the lake slowly leaked small bubbles of carbon dioxide through the Earth's crust and into the lake's water. The CO2 all got trapped by a layer of cold and dense water pooled at the bottom of the lake that was sitting under a layer of warmer and less dense water. And on that summer night, a mysterious jiggle, maybe it was a landslide, maybe an earthquake, disrupted the lake just enough to crack open that stratification and release this bubble of CO2 into the air. This is called a limnic eruption. It's kind of like when CO2 is dissolved in a soda can under pressure. Then when it gets disturbed, that gas bubbles and fizzes out. The Lake Nyos gas bubble was hundreds of thousands of tons of carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide's heavier than the air we breathe, so the huge cloud silently rolled down the volcano, blanketing the whole valley and seeping into people's homes, suffocating 1,700 inhabitants, along with thousands of livestock animals and countless wild creatures too. And to stop this from happening again, experts have installed release pipes beneath the lake so the CO2 doesn't accumulate. And since then, this tragic incident has actually helped scientists better understand many geologic processes of how the world came to be. Some people have even wondered if any of the major extinctions in Earth's ancient history may have been caused by similar events. If you're into this, follow PBS Terra for more.